At the OJ, we need energy for today because guess what today is? Vlogmas. I'm here with my friend Tess. This is what I'm wearing. I want it to be comfortable but cute at the same time. This little blouse is from Princess Polly, and then my white belt is from Dickies. And then my pants are from Brandy Melville. They're just black cargo pants. And that's the fit. Y'all, we're here. We're at Vlogmas. We're at fucking Vlogmas. You can have this shit. You can have this shit. Up with that bitch, she can be. We ain't get bit with no tip. This is fucking big. Ace up, ace up, ace up, ace up. Gang! 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 Don't fuck with the game. Two cents in this shit tonight. We make love under pretty lights down the street. Yes, I am. Every day I sing my song. Take it back to the bank. Count cheap on Sani and a float. Coffee with my baby mama, $80 profit from the coffee I pull. Rent in the car. Let's go. I rock, I roll, I blow. It's always running through my daydream. I can only see ya. Can I get a kiss? That's forever. I said, okay, don't get my empathy. Man move. Hey guys, don't know if you can hear me, but we're at Vlogmas.
Yeah, smell it through the Tupperware. Yeah, how do you respond? Wanna do better than you do. Shit, give me another. Shit, give me another. Shit, I would. Why in front of me when you know you're fire? Let me come inside you, let me plant that seed inside you. As a distance, only thing that's still with me.
Hey guys, I know, rough night. Tess and I went over to CVS and grabbed some food haul. We got bark thins with dark chocolate, coconut, and almonds.
We got this dark chocolate sea salt caramel pretzel
Yummy
stuff.
We got goldfish, a bag filled with a bunch of chips. So we have Doritos, Cheetos, Sun Chips, and pretzels. Yep. Some.
He don't like no ugly. I look so fucking good, most nights are fucking. Vanished to my sleeper seat. Left you at Terminal 3.
We have coffee so that we have energy for Vlogmas Day 2. Okay.
Day goes.
Who are you most excited to see today?
Post Malone.
I can't talk to you.
Real friendship.
Brockhampton,
101.
Earl, Billie Eilish.
Billie Eyelash.
The boy. And there are ways.
Who is she? Who is she?
There's Lassens. Have you
What the fuck is Lassens? What?
No, like Sprouts. Yeah, Sprouts.
Guys, Dodger Stadium's right there.
Vlogmas Day 2. We're gonna.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Y'all, we made it. Day fucking 2.
We're waiting in line for a ride. damn stage. Juice WRLD was performing?
No! 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 No, you're lying. No, you're fully lying.
No, that's wrong. That's wrong, bro. My mom is saying, demons in my brain.
I said, make some fucking noise for my nigga Juice WRLD real quick.
Wait, did he play? Did he already sing that song, guys?
Snuck into fucking VIP. Shut up. Be quiet.
Guys, we snuck into VIP. Did you? What did you do when you see me go? Were you just like go? When I caught up, did you follow me or what? Like,
Update. We're still in VIP.
This song is called I Fall Apart.
And she left me with a broken heart. I'm squad and I'm smoking up a check. Put them motherfucking hands up. Man, I just wanna go sword on my seat on my neck.
Hey!
And I'm so cold with the flex on my squad and I'm smoking up a check.
Ooh, yeah. Hey! Hey!
All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a Rasta.
Hey! Hey!
Fucking with me, call up on the Uzi and show up and make the shot top. So I sing on you. I'm swagging, I'm swagging, I'm swagging, I'm swagging. Watch out, oh, watch out, oh, watch out, yeah. That's my shot, that's my shot, that's my shot, yeah. I'm spinning. So I sing, so I sing.
Shit up, I need everybody hands in the air right now.
I'm sorry.
Both hands, both hands.
No stress on me. With a science, power and gold, ability, stability without stasis, spaces and places.
Big bro.
If I know I lived in this abundance, I'm on the pursuit of happiness, and I know once I get I'll be good. I'm on the pursuit of happiness, and I know everything I'll be good.
Yo, how would you describe this weekend?
It was extremely fun.
It was incredible. I took my sweater off and on the sleeve of my arm was a full-on chewed piece of gum just on my sleeve, and I was like, ew. Okay, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had as much fun as I did, and thank you so much Instagram and Bessie. You guys are amazing. I cannot thank you enough. Like wow.
Bye.
Really did. I love you guys so much. I'll see you next week. Bye.